Hello folks, welcome to QCar TV where we got all the fun stuff. Now we're going to do unboxing of the third last item on the list, which is the motherboard. And yeah, here it is. I had to open it a little bit just now. This is the packaging and this is what it is. A really big box. Really big box. Ta-da! Yeah, look at this. This is actually a second-hand motherboard which I bought used from a seller somewhere in China. It's the TUF Gaming, Asus TUF Gaming B350M Plus motherboard. So plus the Ryzen AMD, blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah, this is all what it's all about. This is the box. See, back here, and at the back. This is how it looks like. I bought this motherboard because it's actually a really nice motherboard. Because TUF from Asus always have good capacitors on the motherboard. And what do we still get in the box? What do we get in the box? I still get the IO shield, the CD. Oh man, even for a second-hand product, cool. I get some screws, pins, or whatever. I don't know what are these, like small little stuff. And then the motherboard itself would be wrapped in a lot of bubble wrap. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see this. Look at this motherboard. Look at this motherboard. See? PCIe 16, PCIe 1, second lane, all the connectors here, the CPU, the battery. It comes with 4 slots for DDR4, power here. This is the slot for the M.2 memory storage. Nice, yeah, nice plastic cover here for making it look nice. That's how it looks like at the back. HDMI as well, which is really nice. DVI. Still have PS2 in 2024. I don't understand why they have this. People have all used USB and they still give this PS2. Anyway, there's a gigabit LAN. That's basically what it looks like. Yeah, the back has a plate. So pretty simple, nothing much. And that's what I get in the box. Oh, and by the way, I also get the Certificate of Reliability by Asus. So yeah, this is the reason why I bought it, because they have a lot of good capacitors, chokes, MOSFETs and stuff. So yeah, the motherboard should be reliable. I have another motherboard which is the ROG, the Republic of Gamers Maximus motherboard, which is really expensive in my other computer, but yeah, that one's really good as well. We'll not review that one, but for this one, this is what it looks like. And yeah, we get the manual. The book manual. It's in Chinese. Oh yeah, and stickers. Yeah, I'm a sticker fan, so yeah, thank you for the stickers. It's still in good condition. Oh wow, so grateful. It's all in Chinese. It's just, but the motherboard smells a little bit like cigarette smoke. I think it's from a cyber cafe in China or something. Because if I smell the motherboard right now, oh yeah, it smells like Dunhill cigarette smoke. But anyway, yeah, hope the motherboard is in a good condition, and we'll put it into one piece. So yeah, that's what you get for buying a second-hand motherboard. And I save a lot of money because I rather buy it new. But yeah, because it's reliable with the certificate and everything, it's like buying a second-hand Patek Philippe watch, which is 200,000 ringgit or 500,000 ringgit, right? Patek Philippe, You want to buy the box, you want to buy the watch with the box and the papers. So yeah, this is the same experience, buying the motherboard, the box with the papers, same thing. Alright folks, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.